Hello my friends. Today I'm going to add some magnets to the end of this Electro Culture grid. I have 12 gauge metal running north and south, spaced about 2 feet apart. In addition to the magnets, I have some basalt. I had a 5-gallon bucket, and that was from Build-A-Soil. I'm not sure the paramagnetic rating, but we'll go ahead and test it out. I haven't added much organics to the garden itself. We'll add basalt today. And then I also have a nitrogen mix, which I'll show you guys a little later. And that's to add some beneficial bacteria to help promote nitrogen fixation. And that's going to be from one of the bacteria that I'm going to add, not mycorrhiza. Here we have the magnets with the basalt, and that's what I'll add right now. Electroculture Magnetoculture, basalt, and magnets. I'm not sure the amount of basalt that I'm going to add as far as per square yard, per square meter. Just giving a handful up and down the 12 gauge wire, and then I'll add basalt around the base of the pumpkin plants, tomato plants, and any other vegetation that I have that'll be grown in this garden. I do have an area where I added garlic and potatoes. I'll add some basalt there as well. Yeah, the amount that I'll add today, again, it's Build-A-Soil basalt, and I'll just add the bag that I have. If I could, I would probably add about 2 gallons worth, like 2 1-gallon buckets worth. For now, I'll just add what I have here in the bag. You haven't added anything to these pumpkins as of yet, as far as organics, no compost. I've planted some pinto beans for nitrogen fixation or retention. And then today, just adding the basalt. Add some more basalt around the base of this pumpkin. A little handful here and there next to the Electroculture atmospheric antenna. As I was saying earlier, I'm going to add some beneficial bacteria for nitrogen retention and fixation. It is not mycorrhiza. This is a product I've used. It is a product that is very user-friendly. If you're going to use, please follow the directions on the back. This is going to be to help the tomato that I have. It's small. I also have another one over here. I want to give it something to give it a little boost, help its vigor. Since we're a little over a week into July, I want to give it a little bit of vegetative growth. And then later I'll add something to help with the bloom or fruiting. And that'll be towards the middle of August. Definitely in September, we'll be giving it the bloom juice. Here, it'll be some nitrogen, beneficial bacteria, something to help the vigor. I have galvanized steel, 14 gauge. You can see the basalt sticking to it. Magnetic. These are ferromagnetic ceramic magnets. I have some with the Lakhovsky style coils, and these will be added to the end of this Electroculture grid. that's near the Electroculture antenna. I'll leave a link below on the way that I made these magnetic rods, and all I'm going to do is use a wire nut to make my connection. I had the expensive ones, but I'm going to use these cheap ones. Since I'm going to bury everything, I'm just going to use this for now. And then before I bury it, I'll dip those in beeswax. But maybe I don't need to. We'll see. Yeah, I can order a straight connector, spend a little more money, but I'm just going to use what I have today. There's my connection running north and south.
There's some short pieces of copper tubing back there like that.
With the wires running north and south, the magnets at the end connected with a old wing nut. I didn't use any Wacos today. But with everything connected, I'm gonna do some mulch. I'll do some hay, some compost. That'll kind of bury everything. And then also keep everything moist as I'm watering or as it rains. Northern grid. Still have to straighten out the wire, but I have everything ready. And then the basalt that's sticking to the magnets. Ceramic magnets, not neodyme. Thank you for joining me today. Trying to gauge the size of these pumpkins, the leaves anyway. Can't wait to see the actual fruit.